Nelson Mandela, childhood. Nelson Mandela was born the 18th July 1918 as Rolihlahla Mandela. He was born in the village of Mansevo in Umata. He was given the name Rolihlahla, which means troublemaker. He got his English name Nelson from one of his teachers in school. Both of Mandela's parents were illiterate. His mother sent him to a local Methodist school when he was about 7 years old, and he was the first in his family who went to school. Mandela and his family were thrown out of the village because Mandela's father lost his job as the leader of the village after being accused for corruption. Mandela moved to the village Kraal with his mother and two sisters, where they grew up. Mandela was about 9 years old when his father died of a lung disease. After Mandela's father's death, his mother took him to the Great Place, where he was adopted by Jogintaba Dalindyebo. He didn't see his mother in many years after that. Political career. Nelson Mandela joined the ANC in 1943. Shortly after joining the ANC, Nelson Mandela, together with his friend and partner Oliver Tambo and Walter Sisulu, formed the Youth League of the Congress. The ideals of peaceful protest were the order of the day. As things progressed, more specific areas were targeted, but always with the intention that no one would be hurt or injured. Political career. Nelson Mandela joined the ANC in 1943. Shortly after joining the ANC, Nelson Mandela, together with his friend and partner Oliver Tambo and Walter Sisulu, formed the Youth League of the Congress. The ideals of peaceful protest were the order of the day. As things progressed, more specific areas were targeted, but always with the intention that no one would be hurt or injured. Following the Sharpeville massacre in 1916, Mandela realized that peaceful protest was getting nowhere, so he co-founded and became leader of the Umkhonto weSizwe. With this branch of the ANC, Nelson Mandela was ready for a less passive approach to achieving the goal of freedom. The ANC was banned by the government, and though Mandela stayed on the run for 17 months, he was eventually caught and sentenced to life imprisonment on Robben Island. It was not until 1990 that Mandela was released. Shortly after his release from prison, Nelson Mandela became the ANC president. When black Africans were allowed to vote, the ANC Mandela-led party won the election, and Nelson Mandela became the first black president in South Africa. Nelson Mandela became the first black president of South Africa in 1994, serving until 1999. A symbol of global peacemaking, he won the Nobel Prize of Peace in 1993.
To South Africa today. Today, the South Africans are relying a lot on mining and resources they can dig out of the ground. The percentage of people with HIV and AIDS are rising, burglars are many, and you can't walk on the street without being afraid of robbers. Instead of helping the government to develop their country, the rich people lock themselves up behind bars to protect their property. The amount of poor people increases rapidly. Rapists roam the stream of bigger towns. Drugs are being bought in alarming amounts, and the number of deaths caused by drugs are rising. Politicians are ruling the Rainbow Nation, but it's an unsafe manner. The unemployed workers are looking for jobs, but they struggle since investors don't have such a big interest in South Africa. Even though South Africa have so many problems with crime, there's still growth especially in industrial work is tending to many men since there's no need for an education. Agriculture isn't a thing the inhabitants are making a lot of money of, though it creates a lot of jobs in the public sector. But it's going good for ANC. ANC got the power in 1944 when Mandela was elected as president, and they haven't lost since. In 1999, ANC got 66% of the votes, and 10 years later they won again with over 60% of the votes, and then again here in 2014. But because of the numbers of unemployment, poverty, and criminality are rising, people are starting to lose faith in ANC. Massive groups are demonstrating in the streets against ANC because they can't solve the economic situation in South Africa. When Mandela died, ANC lost a lot of their supporters, and it looks like ANC isn't going to win the next elections as easily as the previous ones.